Mastering Reported Speech, Listening Exercises. Hello and welcome back to our English language learning series. In today's video, we will focus on an important aspect of intermediate grammar, reported speech. Specifically, we will explore listening exercises that will help you reinforce your understanding of reported speech. By the end of this video, you'll feel more confident in your ability to accurately report what others have said. So, let's dive in. In this first section, we will practice reporting statements. Listen carefully to the audio clip, which will contain direct statements. Your task is to convert those statements into reported speech. Remember that when reporting statements, we usually change the tense and pronouns as necessary. Take a moment to review the basic rules of reported speech if you need a refresher. Let's listen to the audio clip. Audio clip plays. Now, let's go through the answers together. The original statement was, "I love chocolate." To report this statement, we need to make changes. The reported version would be, "She said she loved chocolate." Great job if you got that right. Continue listening to the audio clip and convert each statement into reported speech. Pause the video after each statement to give yourself time to think. When you're ready, resume the video to check your answers and learn from any mistakes. Moving on to Section 2, we will now focus on reporting questions. Reporting questions can be a bit tricky, as we need to change the word order and verb forms accordingly. Let's listen to the audio clip. Audio clip plays. Pause the video and try to convert the questions into reported speech. Remember to use the appropriate reporting verb and adjust the tense and pronouns as needed. Resume the video to review the answers and see how well you did. Now, let's move on to a mixed practice section. This will test your ability to report both statements and questions correctly. Listen carefully to the audio clip. Audio clip plays. Take a moment to convert the statements and questions into reported speech. Pay attention to the changes required for each type. Pause the video to give yourself time to think, and then resume to compare your answers. Congratulations on completing our listening exercises for reported speech. By actively engaging in these exercises, you have strengthened your skills in accurately reporting what others have said. Remember to continue practicing reported speech in various contexts to reinforce your understanding and improve your fluency. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable English language learning content. Keep up the great work, and we'll see you in the next video.